Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Karera sa araw ng linggo, February 16, 2025, Sunday Racing. Sa araw ng linggo, meron tayong tatlong stake race. At ito ay nasa race 1, 2, and 3. Sunod-sunod, ito ang 2025 Ferracom Commissioners Cup Division 1, Division 2, and Division 3. May mga parehong distansyang 1 milya, 1,600 ang tatlong stake races. Starting time, 2 p.m. Race 1, 1,600. Ito ang 2025 Ferracom Commissioners Cup Division 3. First choice, number 8, Diversity. Second choice, Coupled Entry, 1, Palawig. 1A, Bill Jordan. Race 2, 2025 Ferracom Commissioners Cup Division 2. 1,600 meter distance. First choice, number 3, Stolen Ola. Sa aking humble observation, kontrolado at kayang-kaya ni Stolen Ola ang pacing sa karerang ito dahil yung isang beripikadong mabilis dito, secretary, ay tinuturuan na ring sumunod. So, first choice, number 3, Stolen Ola. Second choice, manggagaling sa likod, number 6, Sophisticated. Race 3, ang pinaka-main event, 2025 Ferracom Commissioner Cup. Ito ang Division 1. 1,600 meter distance din. First choice, number 7, Don Julio. Second choice, number 1, Jungkook. Race 4, isang 3-year-old and above maiden race. First and only choice, number 4, title holder. Race 5, first choice, number 2, Rise Up. Second choice, number 9, Lava Walker. Third choice, number 4, Charm and Luck. Race 6, yung nga palang race 4 to last race 7 ay may distansyang 1,400 pare-pareho. Dito sa penultimate race, race na may pentapekta, race 6, first choice, number 6, Potential. Second choice, number 4, Victorious Angel. Third choice, number 9, Distant Thunder. Dumako na tayo ngayon sa last race 7. Race na may Super 6, paratingan. First choice, number 9, Big Battle. Second choice, number 12, Malibu Princess. At third choice, number 7, Family Affair. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!